In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off the camera sound on your iPhone device. So let's just dive straight into the video, guys. Now, I'll just show you like a quick before and after, just so you know that this actually works. So I'm going to go open my camera, take a photo, and as you can see, you can hear the sound. Now, to turn this off, all I have to do is go to the side of my phone, and then I just want to put my iPhone on silent just by toggling down so I can see the orange. Now I'm going to go back to the camera app, take a photo again, and as you can see, it's completely silent. And there's another way to do this as well, so you can still keep your phone on loud. And what you want to do is go back to the camera app. So again, it's on loud, so we will hear it. And what we want to do is turn on live photos, which is just on the top right hand corner here. Tap on this one. And as you can see, guys, there's no longer any kind of shutter sound. So there you have it, nice and easy. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.